Hi, Alex here with, in Emirates. I'm pretty sure that you like to be here. Today I'm going to tell you the real story behind the investment process in Netflix, which is pretty amazing, it's unbelievable, and it tells you the value of investing in the markets, not only Netflix, more than 100 companies utilizing artificial intelligence. I've been a long-term investor in Netflix in single digits when everyone else was calling Netflix a dog precisely. More than 10 years ago, at single digits with that criminal Jim Cramer on CNBC, and many investment firms with strong sell ratings back then. In 2018, Netflix, the stock, gaining more than 10,000% in return on investment for my own subscribers and for myself. It happens that the stock traded, or it was trading live on the tape at 420. Well, at 420, what we did, it was to post a forecast and to record it live, okay, precisely for those that they were listing, selling entirely the investment position in Netflix at 420 when Wall Street was raising targets, imagine, to $500 and to $700 plus. So what did happen to the shares of Netflix instead? Well, the shares, within a matter of days, they pull up at more than $100 per share. Why? Because we sold it on strength, the company reported earnings, and the earnings, and I'm referring to last quarter, we already knew that the earnings, they didn't justify to buy Netflix at that price, okay? So the share price plunged more than $100 per share. After the share price plunged more than $100 per share, and Wall Street started again cutting, after the company reported earnings, cutting price targets, what we did was, you are going now to buy shares of Netflix. Right? And this was posted, we wrote an article in real time on the blog of the company, imagine, okay? With the live screenshot, when to buy, a massive amount. So what did happen? Netflix, the share price, soared $90 per share after this the most recent earnings report. So all those that they were selling shares, then they were buying back shares at new all-time highs, or new all-time highs, because the share price of Netflix soared to $401 after the company reported earnings. $401, which you find, by the way, a real-time screenshot on my own Twitter account, including an article on blog of the company, corresponded to the price that my subscribers, they were doubling the size of the short position in Netflix, and those that they were long, they were dumping, and this after hours. So on the day that Netflix reported earnings, an amazing quarter, and by the way, I'm not against Netflix, okay? On the contrary, Netflix is the greatest, best company in the world in the entertainment industry. For some reason I invest, and I call it Netflix the best company to invest in ever since the origin, so I'm not against Netflix again. This is all about making money, and only 2%, and this is official data from government in the US, if you want to ask them. Only a very tiny percent of people, they make actually real serious money in the stock markets. All the rest are scammers. They don't have any track record, credibility, nothing whatsoever, okay? So my clients, including myself, we sold Netflix, we doubled the size of the short positions. Do you know the Netflix share price as of today pre-market? Well, again, you have a live screenshot, and this live screenshot, my friends, is $321, okay? It is not 401, and you lost all your money by believing again in Wall Street, okay? So this is rather simple, all right? Every single trade alert that we post, release, issue, the algorithm, not us, it has a tremendous impact in the stock market, in Netflix, in Amazon. We did the same in Micron, warning that the share price was going to collapse, to crash, and this was issued at $63, and Wall Street had strong buy ratings, price targets $100, my friends. These scammers, when we started investing in Micron, posting it also on the blog of the company at single digits, for God's sake. As of today, yesterday, Micron was trading at $39. Do you understand the difference between, invest in the markets utilizing artificial intelligence. All these crocs in Wall Street, they are trying to figure out what the stock is going to do the next day and the day. You know, they react always to the news. And by the way, they use fake news, which is other thing that is common in the markets. Fake news all the time, you know, to deceive investors. Well, and with this I terminate, and this is the real story, brief, behind the process of investing in Netflix long term. Thank you.